Is Tesla about to electric slide into a bullish rally? Stay tuned to find out. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, we have Tesla. We're looking at the weekly, and we're looking at the weekly because I think I see the Elliott wave set up. Now, I'm not an Elliott wave master, okay? I just look at what makes sense. It's like Bruce Lee. I'm like water, okay? I'm like water, and I look at what the chart tells me. So it tells me that we possibly had an Elliott wave setup from 2019, around June of 2019 to now, okay? So that June 2019 to around February of 2020 would be wave one, then wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five. And then we have the A, B, C that ended at the beginning of 2023. And then we have wave one, a new wave one that ended mid 2023, which is around July 2023. From July to around now is where wave two was, okay? So if you actually look at those particular dates and you look at how I have it set up, even if you want to measure it yourself, it really actually comes out perfect, okay? So let's say this is wave one and this is supposed to be wave two, all right? Now we all know in an uptrend, Elliott wave, wave three is the biggest, most impulsive, the longest wave of the five, all right? So that's what we're about to jump into, possibly, if we hold support at 159.63. We see we have a bullish divergence forming right here. So if this bullish divergence holds, then we will see a possible rally to $421.33 ultimately over the next few months, okay? This is just my opinion, but this is the bullish scenario. So let's see, if we even pull this up, you'll see how it drops down to around the 61.8% retracement. Now, the bearish side of things, what's the bearish side of things? All right, so in my opinion, the bearish side of things, same kind of setup, except we are in somewhat of a double combo setup, okay? So we have A, B, C to make the W wave, and then we have A, B, C to make the X wave. Then we have to have another A, B, C to make the Y wave, okay? So this would mean that we already completed the A, and then we have to come up to make the B wave, all right? So we would come up here, meaning either way, we're going to get a bounce on Tesla. How high is the bounce is the question. So in my opinion, we can get to around 245 on Tesla, 246, 240, 246 area, okay? Above 260 or 261 is when I would say we're in the larger setup for 421, okay? So we're looking for in between 246 and 260 for us to bounce to that area, okay? Once we get to that area, then I expect us to see a drop down to around, and this is on the extreme level, all right? $16.76. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I have to say it anyway. We could just drop down to around 120, okay? That is entirely possible as well. But once we have that drop and we base and we find support, then we're going to have a massive rally. So that's what you want to look out for Tesla. and happy trading. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting edge AI technology like AI powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option call outs by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, call outs from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.